The March session of the Northwest Regional Assembly dedicated to the 2024 accounts and the adjustment of the 2025 budget has come to a close with a significant increase noted on the budget.
The budget adjustment, we had roughly about 4 billions more. So the new budget is just a little over 10 billion. But of course, you know that regional development plan shows that over 5 years we had to spend 2,255 billion. At the regional level, we do big projects that cover communities in the entire region benefit from those projects. We also received some money from the local council tax scheme. That is why we had that increase.
He also highlighted other projects that the House is involved in within the Northwest region.
There are also projects from the Presidential Plan for Reconstruction and Development, where schools will be either constructed or rehabilitated, especially in areas where children are now going to school and they need those structures.
The President of the House used the opportunity to recount some of the strides made by the Northwest Regional Assembly since the elections into office.
I think that we have tried in our communication. When we started, we didn't have what we have today. We are able today, for those who read, to give account of what we've done over the last 4 years. In not so short a time, we will have an account of the entire mandate. I think we have had results that are likable. In 2023, we had 100% performance in our project. In 2024, 98%. And we're hoping that this year will be in that same neighborhood.
In the course of the session, the issue of how traditional titles are being distributed by Northwest funds came under review, and the governor of the Northwest region, the representative of state, responded and said that each village and the subject has the sole responsibility in giving titles.